Hi guys, welcome back to Mystery Incredible, and today we are going to be playing with the dog with this little ball here. See, watch. And we are going to be going outside. So, let's go.